Are you guys ready for box number 2? Same thing. $1 per team, $1 per shipping and handling. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Or maybe since it's being reviewed, they could actually not do a 10-second runoff. Why would they do a 10-second runoff? That's for injuries. So stupid. All right. Used my X-Acto knife. Got the pack. Close up the box. Sorry guys, I'm sort of paying attention to the game. Okay. The clock operator's that dumb that he doesn't know what that means. You have to actually say the numbers out loud in succession. Okay. Henry must have did something stupid that you're not supposed to do, because there's no reason to have a 10-second runoff in that situation. All right. Well, that's a nice acetate right up the top. Hold on. I want to pause this so I can see the end of this game. This is going to be distracting me. Tannehill hands off to Henry. Henry and touchdown. All they need to do is make the extra point, and it's a tie game. Okay, quick, let's do this. Jim Kelly. Michael Thomas. Mike Evans, Tampa Bay. Okay. Derek Carr. Ray Lewis. These are good cards. Players so far. Cam Newton. Jarvis Landry. J.J. Smith-Schuster. Juju Smith-Schuster. Okay. Jordan Love. And he made the extra point. Barely, but he made it. Okay. Jordan Love. A.J. Brown. DeAndre Hopkins. Antonio Gibson. Sweet card. For the Redskins. I will never call them the Washington football team. That's the Redskins. The Redskins just, they got a nice Antonio Gibson. The Redskins did. The sweet Redskins got an Antonio Gibson. I'm just going to keep saying Redskins, Redskins, Redskins until people start saying Redskins again, because why would you call them the Washington football team? That's the dumbest thing ever in the history of sports. The Washington Redskins. Nice Antonio Gibson. Okay, I hope it offends people too. It's so stupid. It offends me that you're trying to change their name. Jake Luton. Jacob Eason. I know it's Darnell Mooney, but oh, that is okay. There it is. I was gonna say I thought it was a rookie card. There it is. That was a rookie card too. Here's another rookie, sweet rookie, Jerry Jeudy from the Broncos. Nice. right. Congratulations, Caleb. Very nice card. James Robinson, rookie. Oh my God. I dropped one. Okay. It is DeAndre Swift and Detroit Lions. And, okay. Detroit Lions, that's a rookie card. Oh, this is Chronicles. This is where they have stuff from all different sets. That is a Malik. Is it Harrison? Malik Harrison rookie card? I think he's a Raven. Yep. Malik Harrison. Okay. Wow. I like this one. This is sweet looking. I think it's a Chief. It is. L'Jarius Sneed rookie card. That's sweet. All right. That is a Chicago Bears rookie, Darnell Mooney. That is a Luminance rookie, James Robinson. That is another rookie, one of those picture cards, James Morgan. This is a rookie card from the Bills, Gabriel Davis. This one is a rookie card from the Eagles, Jalen Reagor. James Robinson, rookie portrait from Jacksonville. Looks like a Justin Jefferson rookie from the Vikings. It is. And you got, you got a green. Oh my God, Denver's kicking butt. Another Jerry Jeudy rookie. It's like 3 Jerry Judys in this pack. James Robinson. I was gonna say it looks like a zebra card. I don't know what the heck that's called. CV. What the? Oh, it's Clear Vision. And then this one is a Patrick Queen from the Ravens. Ravens had a couple of rookies in here too. That's sweet. I like those acetate clear cards. See it's kind of funny. The background thing's pretty funny looking. You can see his shadow on the back. But all right, that's break number 2. That one went pretty quick, despite me lollygagging around watching that game. But all right, congratulations. Oh, I forgot to do the rundown. Crap, here. Let me do the rundown really quick after the video's over. That's so funny. Good thing I was ready to say it went pretty quick despite me watching the football game for the first 2 minutes while I was trying to open it. What is this? That's not the right one. No, that's not the right one. What happened to my... I'm not sure. Hello? Oh, I see. For some reason it refreshed and it went all the way to the top of the page. I have my break listed way down here. Alright, here it is. Really quick, guys. Arizona, CW, Atlanta, Terry F, Jason P for Baltimore, George J for Buffalo, KJ for Carolina, Steve G for Chicago, Mike L for Cincinnati, Vinny C for Cleveland, Dallas had David G, Caleb G had Denver and Detroit, Paul M had Green Bay, David D had Houston, David Z had Indianapolis, David D had Jacksonville, Crawman KC, David D for LAC, LAR, Joey E, David D for Miami, John H for Minnesota, Pepe R for, who is this, for New England? Is that right? Oh, New England, okay. And then same thing as last time. New Orleans, New York, and New York Giants, New York Jets, all JJ, Bobby G for Philly, Mark Cardoni for Pittsburgh, Gary F for San Francisco, Brandon R for Seattle, Mike J for Tampa Bay, Kiera Kane for Tennessee, Vegas TU, and Richie C for Washington. All right. I am going to wait till this overtime is. I'm going to wait till that overtime is over before I. Let's see here. Yeah. Russell Wilson magic. But anyways, I'm gonna do the select as soon as this one's over. Okay, just wanted to let you know because it's probably gonna go into overtime. Alright, overtime is set. Okay, I'll be back when overtime's over. Just so I'm not distracted like this video. This video should have been over in 5 minutes. It took 11:40.